combined team of 16th Assam Rifles Commando Lelong Police Station, including women police personnel led by Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Sachidananda Soibam and other police officials, carried out cordon and search operations this morning at Lelong Bazar Mamang area. The search operation covered Arapti Lamkhai and Lelong Bridge areas. A police report said the search operation was carried out to detect presence of illegal foreigners and other unwanted elements. Around 250 persons were verified and 1 woman and 19 men were detained and handed over to Lelong Police Station for further verification. India now has over 25 lakh active cases of COVID-19 as a second wave of infections continues to put enormous pressure on the country's fatigued healthcare infrastructure. According to reports, the novel coronavirus pandemic that claimed another 2,624 lives in the last 24 hours alone. Maharashtra, the worst hit state, reported 67,000 new confirmed cases and 676 more deaths yesterday. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has spiked to 30,281 with 130 new cases detected in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kaching, Ukhrul, Kangpopi, Churachandpur and Chandil districts. The new infections were confirmed at Janims, RIMS, Babina Diagnostics and Shija Hospital. 2 persons, a 46-year-old woman from Imphal West and a 63-year-old man from Imphal East, died of the infection at Shija Hospital and Janims Hospital respectively, taking the total death toll to 383. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 705, while 29,193 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 96.40%. The Indian Air Force IAF yesterday airlifted 4 empty cryogenic oxygen containers from Singapore to transport liquid oxygen to hospitals treating COVID-19 patients in India. According to media reports, a C-17 of the IAF took off from the Hindan Air Base at 2 a.m. yesterday for the Changi International Airport in Singapore. Manipur State Panchayat Parishad has called off its agitation after the state government has set May 20, 2021 as the deadline to release MGNREGA fund for 6 districts of the valley and second installment under 15th Finance Commission award.